Hi, I'm Peter from HD Interactive, and in this video I'm going to be showing you Google's Jamboard. Now Google's Jamboard is their whiteboarding software that allows you to whiteboard and mark up as you go. Now it can be accessed through your 9-dot tool icon once you've logged into Google, and everything you do is saved back to your Google Drive. To find the Jamboard, all you need to do is scroll down until you find the orange and yellow J, hit that, and it will open up the Jamboard application for you. To create a new jam, all you need to do is click the plus icon. It will open a new board for you where you'll find all your standard inking tools to be able to mark up and create content for your classroom or your business. You're able to set a background, which means you can have templates such as writing lines or musical staves, and you can change them depending on what you want. You can share out your jams, same as you could any other Google Doc, as well as make copies there to make it easier to have a master to share with others to do what they want to do. I hope you found that little introduction to Google's Jamboard helpful. For more information, come and see us at hdinteractive.com.au. See ya.